Well, you moved to the Sunshine State because you like sunshine. You like it streaming through your windows and lighting up your room. And Chelsea Zerpola and I have been talking on and off about different benefits of having Renewal by Andersen for your replacement windows. But the thing that we haven't talked about is when you have that light streaming in your window, are you warming up the whole house? And could you have both great lighting and protection from the heat?
Absolutely. With Acclaim Impact windows and Acclaim Renewal by Andersen windows, it not only allows you to be able to take in that natural light. We need the natural light, but we want to block out those harmful rays. We don't want to have where those harmful rays are coming in, keeping our house just too much with that heat or warmth. But we want to make sure that we're getting that vitamin D in a safe way. And what's great is the technology today is so different than the old technology with an exclusive low-E glass, smart sun, all of the things that we can offer at Renewal by Andersen. It allows you to have the best of all worlds.
Speaking of best of all worlds, what would be even more exciting to hear is that maybe you had a new place just up the road in Georgia where we're actually manufacturing these
Absolutely.
days.
We are super proud of our manufacturing plant in Locust Grove, Georgia, and it really allows it to serve us. Quicker turn times allow us to be very proud of Made in America, manufactured in the Southeast as well as in our Minnesota plants. But yeah, we're very excited. We are thrilled that we get to definitely say Made in America.
And you're talking about people who live here in the Southeast, so we know what is required to keep our homes cool or even warm and not have our bills and utilities just shoot through the roof because of it. So it sounds like people can head on over or make a phone call and learn more. So why don't we tell everybody how to do that?
Definitely important to prepare for the seasons ahead. Go to bestwindowsflorida.com. We're here to make sure that you have an opportunity to get a design consultant out to your home, look at styles and look at what it may feel for you to build those windows of your dreams so that it keeps you comfortable all season long.
Yeah, and it makes you happy too.
Absolutely.
Sunshine makes you happy.
Yes.
So special for you if you are a River City Live viewer and you make sure that they let you know, that you let them know. And Chelsea, thank you so much.
Thank you.